In this example, I'm going to show you how to draw a circle tangential to a circle and passing through a point. So as I have already draw the draft, so the circle is to be tangential to this circle and passing through this point. This is a point. Yeah? So the radius of this circle is 22.5 given in the question. So can you refer to page 3-6 tutorial 3 question 3.1a. So this circle is of known diameter 45, so radius 22.5, and we are to construct a circle of radius 60 passing through this point and tangent to this circle. So the first thing is to draw a construction line circle passing through the center using the center of this circle. So I take the center, and the construction line circle is supposed to be 60 plus 22.5. 60 is the circle to be drawn, and 22.5 is the radius of this circle. So it should be 82.5, which is 60 plus 22.5. Next, draw another circle taking this point as a center and radius 60. So take the intersection to you can draw the circle using the intersection point. So I go to outline layer, draw a circle using this intersection as center, and draw a circle of radius 60. You can see when you touch this point, the radius is already 60. So I click. So this circle now that is drawn is tangential to this, passing through this point.